Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lease Thoughts. Today we have another vendor who sent me a product. It's a free product, it's a paid review. And today, we're full-time RVers. What better product than a water filter to stick on the end of our hose? You go through these, if you're full-time RVers, probably once every 4 months, depends on how much water you use. We try to change ours every 3 to 4 months. So this was perfect timing. I need to change my water filter. These are great to have on your end of your hose, wherever you're coming from your shore water. In our case, it comes from a big old water tank back here. We are in the oil industry, and we are full-time RVers out in the oil fields of South Texas, and our water gets delivered in tanks like this. Not, it's pretty clean water, but it does have sediment in the bottom of the tank and things like that, and these filters get rid of that for us. They'll get rid of the sand and the sediment out of that for you. These are not, these aren't for like bacteria or anything like that. We do have a 3 filter system inside the house that we do that, but it's really important to have a pre-filter, like something like this, first, to get rid of all the big stuff. And normally you're hooked up to good clean water that comes out of a city water tap anyway at an RV park. This will just take care of anything else that comes out of that. So I'm going to show you how to hook one of these things up and go take care of it and get your Membrane Solutions RV water filter. Well, let's hook that up, shall we? So this is our old filter here. So I'm just going to simply turn the water off to that. Easier said than done, maybe. All right, turn that off. And I'm going to disconnect this hose just slowly a little bit, release some of that pressure. I could go into the trailer and release some of that pressure too. But I'm just going to let the pressure go here a little bit so I don't get sprayed. Let some of that pressure out. A lot of people will hook these right up to and hang them off of their RV. I think that's a bad idea because the RV hookups are all made out of plastic. Then you're hanging this heavy thing off of your plastic intake. I'd rather hook it up to my shore power, turn it around and hook it up to shore power. That way this brass connection is taking that weight instead of your RV plastic connector. Disconnect your old filter. If you look in your old filter, you'll always find lots of charcoal and stuff. That means it's about time to get rid of it. It means it's old, it's shot. So, get rid of that one. We'll put it in this box when it's done. Pick out your new one. Right, so important to know, only connect to potable water sources known to be microbiologically safe. This does not take care of any biological problems whatsoever. This will work from 41 degrees to 100 degrees. Do not flush with antifreeze. Average life is 3 months. Depends on the water quality. Kind of surprises on this one that it does not come with a kink hose, like this little hose right here. Normally they come with a little kink hose right here. Normally they come with a kink hose, which I'm going to actually give it a little slam. It should come with a kink hose. Then just take the caps off the ends, like so. And then you always want to make sure that you put it in the right direction. The flow goes this way. So we want it coming out of the pump right like here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let that flow out a little bit. Get some of that charcoal out of there. That was spilled over in there. Okay, it looks like we got that all cleaned out. I'm just going to hook that back up. Now you could use Teflon tape. I've never really ever had to. When you do it straight to a brass fitting like this, it usually fits just nicely on there. Like that. And now I'm going to use my old kink hose and put it right here. water filter made by Membrane Solutions. Good for 3 months. 3 months. And you definitely want one of these in line with your hose going into your RV. Go get one today.